on tularepubliclibrary.org. You would go on the Research and Databases page. And I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to look at the Student Success Pre-K through Elementary. And I'm just going to pick Britannica School for right now. And I'm going to choose the elementary level. And where's our search bar? I'm going to search up here. I'm just going to do Sally Ride first. So we've got some recommended articles. So it tells us that she's the very first U.S. woman to travel into outer space, and that was in 1983. If we want to learn about Mae Jemison, get her in here. Looks like she's got a couple of different things. She was also a doctor, so astronauts have to be very educated. They have to be physically fit. They have to learn a lot about space and science, lots of good things. So I'm going to end our little demo here. And we're going to be showing you the juice pouch rocket demo, and Rex is going to help me with that. Hi, so now I'm going to show you how to make your very own juice pouch rocket. Sounds difficult. It's really not that much of rocket science though, but you do need an empty juice pouch. Okay, this is the best kind. The box kind won't work as well. So if you want, you might want to make sure you rinse it out a little bit, but don't open the top. Just go through the little hole where the straw was, because you can't have the top off. You need all the air in here. And you see my rocket here. I've got a flexible straw. I've got rocket fins. I'm going to show you how I made those. And on the end, you can use clay, Play-Doh. I actually use that tacky stuff that you can put on the wall, and I just colored it a little bit blue. That's my favorite color. So that's what I did. You don't have to color it, but you do need something on the top here that's going to keep the air inside the straw. Paper won't work. It's got to be something that completely covers and seals off the top of the straw. You will also need the straw that came with the juice pouch. It would be best if this was the flexible kind also, and that way this straw could be just the straight part. I couldn't find the kind with the flexible part here, so we're going to use the big flexible part here, and the little straw is going to go in here. But first, let me show you those fins, our trapezoids. You're going to need 3 equal sizes. They're about 3 on the bottom, 1 at the top, a little bit more than 3/4 of an inch up here. Basically though, you need the shape, the size. It's okay if it's a little bit less. I've got mine cut out already. So I've got them. You are going to keep 2 whole. And the third one, you're going to cut in half. So I'm going to be cutting that right down the middle. I put stripes on mine. You can do what you want with yours. Just basically right down the half point. So now I'm going to take my straw. I'm going to go ahead and bend it because I want the fins to be right here at the base. This is the part that's going to attach to the small straw. So I'm going to take my tape here. I'm just going to stick this right here on that side. It's a little tricky. You may want a little help with this. And again, real rocket fins have to be a little bit more precise than these. These are going to help stabilize it though. So I'm going to put this kind of on the inside. This part was a little trickier to get these stuck together. So you can see where I put the tape there. You could probably also do, I like to do this little fold with tape. I don't know if you've done that before, like on posters and things. I think that's going to actually work better. So I'm going to try that, sticking these 2 pieces together. I'm going to redo that one. So, okay, so we've got our 2 big pieces close to the end. It looks like I got off centered a little bit. I think it's gonna be okay though. We're not gonna try to go to Mars with it. Now, the half part is gonna go at a right angle. So I'm gonna have to put tape on each side here. So, a little tricky. So I got another piece on that side. Same for the other half. Again, I'm doing this a little bit in a hurry. Better if you take your time at it. So, there we go. Didn't get those quite as tight. So probably for my experiment, I'm gonna use the first one I made. I took a little more time with that. But I just wanted to show you how to get those fins on there. Then the sticky stuff, I was wondering if a pencil cap eraser will work. I don't know, I can't get it to stick really good unless you put tape around it. I'm gonna say that would be if you don't have clay or Play-Doh or the tacky stuff. But the tacky stuff probably will work best. Gotta seal that opening so you don't want any air coming out. I made a point on mine. You kinda want it to be balanced. If it's off too much on one side, your rocket might not go straight. All right, so that is how to make the rocket part. You will put the small straw inside, then you're gonna blow air in it. You wanna make sure it's puffed up. You'll put the other rocket on top of the straw, and it would help if I took the straw out of the plastic. There, I got it. Okay, so when you're gonna launch it, you're gonna stomp on the juice pouch, and that's hopefully gonna propel your rocket. That propelling is called pneumatics, using compressed air pressure. So we'll go now and see if we can get our rocket to work. Okay, we are ready. We've got our straw rocket, our juice pouch, the original straw inside. It's blown up. Maybe I better blow it up a little bit more. Yes, Rex, the juice is out. All right, yeah, make sure the juice is all out of this. So I want to see if I can hit the target here. It will not hurt, I promise. So put the big rocket on the little straw. Looks like it's losing air again. Let's see if I can point it at Rex. Let's see. Ooh, that looks good. Are you ready? Okay, 1. Oh, no, excuse me. 3, 2, 1, 0. Launch. Rex, what did you do? You moved. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. I think I've got more air in it. I don't know, maybe the little seal is leaking. Maybe someone moved. I don't know if that was it. So we're gonna try it again. Ready? 3, 2, 1, launch. Well, it went in his direction, so I'm gonna count that one. I really don't know, maybe the seal wasn't tight enough on here. When I wasn't being filmed, it did go a little bit higher. Yes, Rex, it did not hit you, sorry. So we'll touch it there, and we're gonna say goodbye. Rex, what did you do? You moved. I'm sorry, no. What are they doing over there?